Myself, INCHARA SHRIPAD NAIK, first year CSBS. My startup company name is Structured Innovation. Product present name CCTV camera, and the product proposed name is surveillance camera. Mentioning some of the requirement and the feelings about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activities is privacy concern and the human face detection. Based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and the requirement of the customer, many few features are added to the existing product. Existing product name is CCTV camera. Then futuristic product name is surveillance camera. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here: high resolution camera, pan title camera, wireless connectivity, artificial intelligence, and the machine learning. In the prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured due to the time constraint and the mentor advice. Draw a sketch. The is below. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.